How to become a super affiliate in niche markets. You see them all over the internet. Look at the bottom of the web page and you may see a link for an affiliate program. You may have even signed up for a few. But have you been making any real money? Or have your reports been consistently showing a big zero in the monthly earnings column? Many people sign up for affiliate programs hoping it will be their start into a lucrative online business. But if you want to become a super affiliate, finding the right niche market is important. Choose a niche that you're passionate about. If you're not interested in paintball equipment, no matter how popular it is, you're simply not going to put the effort and energy into it the same way you would for a niche you're already interested in, or even passionate about. It also helps if you already have expertise in the niche you choose. Don't let the lack of experience discourage you though. If you found a niche you're truly interested in, you can learn about a niche and still become an affiliate any product owner will be glad to have on their team. To become a super affiliate is to choose products you would pay for personally. Do you honestly have good things to say about the product? If you don't, you may not want to try to sell it as an affiliate. Let's face it, if you're trying to encourage others to buy a product so you earn a commission from it, don't you think they want honest feedback? Go to a forum regarding the niche you're interested in. Check there to see if anyone knows about a profitable affiliate program. Look at how much commission it pays when people go through your website to purchase. If you find one that pays well, you can honestly get behind their products, and it's something you're interested in, you may have struck gold. You could very easily be well on your way to becoming the very next super affiliate.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.